Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper, along with Zena the Glamper Camper. Today, me, Zena, and Mr. Cameraman are camping near Lake Havasu City, Arizona. This campsite is absolutely beautiful. I think it's called like Craggy Wash or something. And today we're going to try out a new food product. I got this Augason creamy potato soup mix from Amazon. I got it on sale, so I got it for only like $19. Full price, it's like $34, I think. If you get it right now, it is 50% off as of the time I'm recording this voiceover. So definitely check it out. Even if it's more expensive, I would still probably get it. It tasted really, really good. The first step you have to do when you get one of these number 10 cans is just take off the plastic lid, and then you use a can opener to open the actual can. Once you use the can opener to open the can, you can use this within a year. If you don't open it, it will last in the can for much, much, much longer than that. I think up to 25 years. Now, right here, it shows you the different yields for the soup. We were super hungry, so we wanted to make the most we could. So we had to measure out some water into our pot, and then we just added 2 cups of the mix. Now, halfway through measuring, I did get a little bit freaked out because I couldn't figure out how to get the generator to keep running. I had just gone out and I had just flipped the generator switch, telling it that we are camped, so you can run, and it turns out that I turned it the wrong way. So I actually turned the generator switch off instead of on. So we did have a little bit of troubles with that, but Mr. Cameraman went out, he checked it out, and we got cooking again. Now this mix is very, very chunky, but parts of it still are powdery. So be careful. You don't want to drop it and get it everywhere. And when you are scooping, I recommend scooping pretty slow so that you don't end up with powdered potato soup all over your camper or your kitchen. So some of the ingredients listed did kind of surprise me. Now at the very bottom of the ingredients list, it says that it does contain milk, but milk is not actually listed in the ingredients. In the ingredients, they have a product of milk. Like, it has this weird ingredient I've never heard of before, and then in parentheses, it says something about being a product of milk. So, not really sure what that's about. I was also surprised that there's no cheese. On the can, they actually recommend adding cheese to make the soup your own, but I was just really surprised that no cheese and no actual milk I could find in this soup are on the ingredients list. Another thing is this brand also sells dehydrated meats and such. And I was also surprised that there's no bacon in this soup. So it's literally just as plain as you could get potato soup that tastes like potatoes. Now, some interesting ingredients are chicken fat and chicken flavorings, which I thought were kind of not what I would typically think of when it comes to creamy potato soup, but that's okay. They put some flavorings in there. They just weren't the typical potato soup flavorings that I was thinking of, but you could definitely add those. Right now, you just got to whisk it up. So boil some water, add in your powder for however much you're making, and then just start whisking. Now, I did have to turn this back up to high because it was taking forever. It took about 5 minutes longer to cook than the package said it would. But once it did cook, Zena loved it, Mr. Cameraman liked it, and I definitely recommend trying out this Augason Farms creamy potato soup. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to check out this soup on Amazon, and don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one, and try this soup.